The Great Bloom Festival is coming, but overnight, the mischievous Crow twins tipped every crate of seeds into one long, jumbled shoot.
Oh no! Seeds only store in trays of 10. If I am going to sort all of these, I will have to find friends! Let us start small. Here are 3 seeds in the tray. The tray holds 10. How many more seeds would fill it up? Have a think. Let us count the empty spots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 empty. So 3 and 7 make 10. They are friends. Here is another tray. 8 seeds this time. How many more would fill it? Just 2. 8 and 2 make 10. Friends again. One more. 6 seeds. How many empty spots this time? 4. 6 and 4 make 10. Every number has one special friend that fills the tray. Here they all are. 1 and 9. 2 and 8. 3 and 7. 4 and 6. And 5 and 5. Now it is your turn. 5 seeds are in the tray. How many more to fill it? Pause the video and count the empty spots. How many did you find? 5! 5 and 5, a pair of the very same number. Nice work! Quick practice. What is 9's friend? 1. What is 7's friend? 3. And 2's friend? 8. You have got it. So why do friends help us? Watch this. 7 plus 3 plus 6. Can you spot the 2 friends hiding here? Seven and 3 are friends. They make 10. Then 10 plus 6 is 16. Finding the friends first makes adding easy.
Ha ha! I will just mix your seeds all up. Now you have to count everything again.
Nice try, Ka, but you only moved them around. 3 plus 7, or 7 plus 3, the total is still 10. Order is free. The total stays loyal. Now let us grow up to bigger numbers. 38 plus 91 plus 9. How could we add these 3 quickly? Pause and see if you can spot a friendly pair. Here is the trick. Look at the last digits, 8, 1, and 9. Which 2 make 10? 1 and 9, so 91 and 9 are friends. 91 plus 9 is 100. Then 100 plus 38 is 138. Let us use that trick again. 25 plus 47 plus 5. Look at the last digits. Which 2 are the friends? 5 and 5. 25 plus 5 is 30. Then 30 plus 47 is 77. Sometimes a number is almost round. 45 plus 49. 49 is so close to a round 10. Which one is it reaching for? So slide just 1 seed over. 49 becomes 50 and 45 becomes 44. Now 50 plus 44 is 94. Much easier. You try this slide. 19 plus 36. Which round 10 is 19 almost touching? 20. Slide one over. Slide 1 plus 35 is 55. Last level. Look at this climbing chain. 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. No friends of 100 here. They just climb like stairs. How could we add all 6? Quickly, pause and try. Here is a hint. Look at the two ends. Pair the ends. 15 and 25 make 40. 17 and 23 make 40. 19 and 21 make 40. 3 equal 40s. And 40 plus 40 plus 40 is 120.
Pay up, Sunny. I counted my 3 seed piles. 25 plus 15 plus 30. And I got 71. 71 seeds. So pay up.
Let me check that without adding it all up. Look at just the ones. Can that total really end in a 1? Have a think. Look at the ones. 25 and 15, 5 and 5 are friends. They make 10. So the ones give us a 0. And 30's 1 is a 0 too. Still 0. So the total must end in 0. But you said 71, and that ends in 1. Impossible. Nice try, Caw.
By parade morning, the chute stood empty, and the trays were stacked 10 high. Sunny had earned her golden tray with one friendly move for every kind of chute. Find the friend. Order is free. Hunt the last digit. Slide one seed. Pair the ends. And let the digit judge.